人稱2號涼茶。請問聲音畫面有冇問題？請問聲音畫面有冇問題？Hello 嚇，請問聲音畫面有冇問題？唔好意思啊，我而家自己試緊機啊，大家等一等啊。Hello 嚇，好 OK 啦，咁嚟啦。咁大家見唔見到我張相呢？其實我張相就係我自己嘅童年相嚟嘅，我純粹想即係唔想，因為我放完工個樣好樣衰，所以就拍一次俾你哋見到啦，所以就咁樣咯。得未㗎？咁耐嘅？佢句嘢又好短，但係嗰個嘢咁耐。我食緊燕喎。我意思。我意思，睇下先啊。其實我都唔 sure 自己有冇出到 post。考前爭喎，之後唔知做，而家都唔知做緊咩任務，睇睇先。咁出仔，睇下先。長者之血應該做邊個呢？ Hello， 唔知做邊個先好喎。因為依個咯，依個31等級啊嘛，好似依個易啲。睇下先，係你見唔見到張相啊？係我以前細個嘅相嚟㗎。Too easy， 睇下先啊。睇下先，究竟要去邊度呢？究竟要做咗邊個先呢？睇下先。而依度個順序呢，應該係睇咗依個係咪有隱瞞先嘅？咁即係長者嘅血依個啦。好啦，咁就做依個啦。好，咁跟住真係喺前邊啫，咁行啦。我而家自己一個喺屋企，好驚驚豬哦。睇下先。會唔會冇得喐㗎？呢個
？So, any incriminating letters? Closets full of skeletons?
We've not even opened the door yet.
It's a highly complex magic barrier. Let's try.
Yeta Ligen!
I'll
好
take
驚，好驚，好驚！後邊，我啱啱撳緊電話，嚇死我！我唔係啊，我等人返嚟啊，我一陣間要煮飯啊，我趁而家時間上早，所以打陣機先咋。飛，1、2、3，飛！係啊，Silly斬佢啱啊！1，哇！救命！救命！救命！救命！救命！又好似尋日咁。 屈死你喺度先。1、2、3，飛。1、2、3，飛。會好彩。1、2、3，斬你 pat pat 啊！劈對屎忽開花。1、2、3，耶！都話屈死你喺嗰度㗎啦。冇嘢執唔係啊！大家咁辛苦冇嘢執。好，門開咗啦，睇下快過佢門開嘅。好，搜索呢度。好驚，好似尋日咁樣咧，會無啦啦死咗啊！
We must look around.
It's a bit low, isn't it? Rummaging through his papers.
You wish to come, my dear.
Portrait of Ciri, I think.
No, that's not me. Where's the scar?
It's definitely you. Really captured you. Sure Avallac'h's only interested in you for your magic abilities?
Very funny.
Look, Geralt.
係啊，冇化妝，冇着住啲好核突嘅阿婆衫，跟住咩嚟嘅咧
Didn't know he had a sweet tooth.
仲有冇啲咩咧？頭先掛住 send message 嗰張，佢話好似 Ciri 嗰幅畫喺邊啊？咩嚟㗎？
It seems someone was literally just here.
應該呢個啦。
Avallac'h's on the ship. We know that.
What if he's not?
Stop. Smells like
Verbena.
馬鞭草
not very incriminating.
馬撚草
We've not examined the entire laboratory yet.
點解呢度咁少嘢偷嘅？啊，有啦！咩事
？Yen.
哇！家族嘅圖，呢個我睇 Harry Potter 睇過啊，天狼星嘅家族圖。
Genealogical chart of the Enhanikere, the elder blood, from Laura Doran.
To me. You never showed me the full version. I had no idea Viedmont of Eden was an ancestor. Was he the one who punished his daughters with a hot iron? Or the one who had his own father's eyes
用樂刑懲罰自己，將自己父親嗰個
I'd never seen the full
畫咗出
version.
嚟。
Seems Avallac'h has analyzed all the parts of Lara's gene, even those we thought extinct.
睇下筆記。
Let's look at his notes.
Gods, he spent over 2 centuries on this.
佢花200幾年，咁佢都幾多歲啊？佢
Volker? Some entries about Ciri, but it's here later that things get interesting. He actually tried to cultivate a genetic mix like Ciri's, but one
哇！即
excluding
係
the
佢呢
human
啲係
line.
嗰啲
Meaning
變
what
態科學
exactly?
家嚟嘅喎。
That I ought to be looking about for giant jars holding my siblings?
Don't be foolish. Avallac'h never got that far. Apparently all his experiments ended in failure. You are unique.
哇！佢嗰度咁少書，
And
你
that's
咁
why
都
we've the
咩？
wild hunt to contend with. Let's
咁
ferret
少書
on.
你可以睇到咁多嘢出
I
嚟。
can't find something even more
佢
interesting.
200幾年嘅研究喺晒嗰本書度。
Geralt?
佢明明喺度傷心緊，佢冇可能應到。哇！好多人驚啊！佢咩事啊？佢將自己張相咁樣整落去，好多人驚啊！佢好樣衰啊！佢咁貪靚嘅。
Elves sure know their fragrances. Never a standard. Might have expected a hidden portal.
偷嘢。點解要掛張地氈喺上邊咧？啱啱洗完要晾乾啊！啊！你個八婆啊！你唔好意思，我唔應該咁鬧你。你個八婆係都要我咁？誒，有個女人喎。喂，八婆，你係邊個啊？八婆，無能勝手？唔係喎。
How did you get in here?
We mean you no harm.
I care
見
not
到
at
靚
all
女，
while here. Get
梗係要
out.
咁講。
You? I remember you. From Tir Nalia.
Remarkable. I thought all elves looked alike to those of your race. If it's Avalach you seek, he's not here.
I know.
And yet you come here. What for? To spy on him. He tries his damnedest to save you every time you do something stupid.
其實我平時做 live 都冇化妝，我就啱啱沖完涼嗰陣。
You'd be surprised. He's told me a great deal about you.
可唔可以同呢個女？可唔可以同呢個女仔
Like
做
what?
體操㗎？
He said you
幾
share
靚女喎！
Lara's features. I don't see whatever it is he sees. It seems a bit like trying to drink
邊個係
water
老
from
賴
a mud puddle. But I imagine that belief somehow helps him with his task.
哇！呢個八婆個樣藐嘴藐舌，好想車巴佢喎！你係咪姓何㗎？你係咪天空復仇者㗎你？巴掌臉啊！個個見到都會想一巴升落去嘅臉係嘛？
She's no human. She's a degenerate half-breed. To have no choice but to use something like that? It's humiliating.
Another word, and I'll...
What? Ach will finally be free of her.
我想大巴戰死條八婆得唔得喂？
If he hates me so deeply, why didn't he tell me to my face?
要安慰斯列啦。
Ciri, you didn't actually believe her, did you? She's personally involved in the matter, that's clear.
What of it? If they despise me so, they should leave me be.
死啦！我都唔知有冇揀錯，睇攻略嗰個唔喺我隔離，好驚今晚會唔會要重新玩過㗎？
Ciri.
What? Do you fear I'll level this place like I did Kaer Morhen? Shame I can't do that at will, because I'd really like to now.
好陰功。
Calm down. The elf was right.
Aren't you supposed to cheer me up?
You carry Laura's gene. Nothing you can do about it. Inherited her talent and her power, too. That she-elf would give up a century of her life to be you.
Certainly didn't seem so.
You were born with a great gift, and only you can decide how to use it.
嗱，似咗一個老豆啦。
What's that?
A necklace. Laura Doran's.
It's beautiful, but
yours to wear.
你媽媽嘅遺物啊！
Let's go. Sick of this place.
好，但係調查晒未㗎？係咪調查晒㗎啦？入多次間房先，間房都冇調查過。嗱，好彩啫。 有關人類事擺，唔知。你就平時就喺呢張床度，入唔到去咁鬼死矮嘅張床，點解可以咁樣嘅？可唔可以爬上去？但係俾張台喺度就係咁樣用嘅。耶！我成功上咗去張床啦！咁串啦，整冧你張床！ 我係童子，即係嗰啲人新婚咧，咪要揾幾個僆仔僆妹喺度跳嚟跳去嘅張床度，即係寓意等你快啲生咁樣噶嘛，跳爛你張床先得嘛。有八婆咁鬼死串啊啦，整個八婆入邊搞到思蓮唔開心。喂，條絲唔見咗嘅，嗰隻。 喂，又去咗呢度嘅，新嘅。
Must we return to the boat right away?
Something else you want to see?
Not here. On Hindersfjord. In Lofoten. I met a young man, Skjal. And I'd like...
大鑊啦！頭先之前個師傅唔知喺邊啊
Skjal is dead.
邊個死咗
The Wild Hunt. Everyone? No one survived?
Skjal died later.
You sure it was him? You'd met him?
I was there. I saw his body.
Will you visit his grave with me? I'd like to say goodbye.
I'll go with you.
Thank you.
唉，啱啱發現原來真係揀錯咗啊！一定要摧毀呢個實驗室啊！而家快啲整咗去撈翻師傅啦！
Let's
come.
我要撈翻師傅啊！唉，好彩唔係做咗好多啫，都。
Let's look around. Should be a relatively fresh grave mound.
Thank you for coming. I detest graveyards.
好。
Let's.
好，撈翻舊師傅先。誒，撳錯掣唔好意思啊。
Son of Neil. Damn it, Geralt. Think.
They didn't. What?
快！喂，快啲啊喂！做乜鬼佢話原來唔炸咗個實驗室，Ciri第日會死嘅，所以你嗱聲要炸咗佢。喂，快啲啊！ 快啲！阿頂撳錯掣。 塊一塊一塊一塊。撳錯啦！如果頭先我撳話我仲有啲嘢做嘅話，咁就可以咩啦？咁就可以即時撈翻嚿 save 啦。睇得啦，會嚇死我！喂，睇下先啊，11點應該係依個，應該係依個，好驚啊！一陣間冇咗個 save。
The king of the wild hunt sailed aboard the Naglfar, a giant longship that traveled between worlds. As Gels had advised, the Witcher set out to find the Sunstone, an artifact needed to draw Eredin into a trap.
我都估到會有呢啲事發生㗎。係咪唔炸咗個實驗室之後，嗰個精靈會揾Ciri做人體實驗呢？我都唔知。係好彩。
Entrance is very well protected. I believe.
Yan.
So.
好啦，飛啦。Yata-Ligen。咩啊？我出得一隻啫。啊你去邊啊？嚇死！1、2、3飛。喂 ，Ciri 喺度食花生。頭先你好勇猛幫我㗎，你而家企喺度。嗱，啱啊，去啊，打佢。避。哎呀！但佢扣好少血嘅其實。1、2，喂，呢個多少少。1、2、3，飛。1、2、3。哎呀，都中咗一下先。好，睇下今次仲快過頭先啊！頭先我嚟到嘅時候個門已經開，即係接近開晒嘛，而家直情冇開過添。
Pretty cozy.
好。睇下張畫先。
Rummaging through his papers.
You wish to come, my dear.
幅畫咧
Portrait of Ciri, I think.
Oh.
That's not me. Where's the scar?
It's definitely you. Sure.
好，繼續。做乜撞開我嘢？我張相想點咪靚咯，咩事？睇下先，應該係邊個啊？1定2啊？嚇？請問1定2？點解咧？點解唔好俾條頸鏈佢咧？有咩問題咧？喂，1定2啊？嚇？應該冇乜所謂嘅呢啲。
Avalax on the ship. We know that.
What if he's not?
好，馬鞭草、馬撚草。好，再睇。
Yeah.
Hey.
Genie.
Hey. 睇下啲筆記啦。
Let's look.
好。
Me don't. You are.
And that's fair.
好。睇下先啊。係陳皮妹，放工啦。入去噶咯。條女咧，八婆。
How did you?
張相咪靚咯。
Who are you?
Not your
打俾大家
concern.
清楚啲啊！
Now.
係咪好可愛咧？
You?
同我而家一
I
樣。
remember you. From Tir Nalia.
Remarkable. I thought all elves looked alike to those of your race. If it's Avalach you seek, he's not here.
啊！
I know.
And yet you come here. What for? To spy on him. He tries his damnedest to
頂
save
咗
you
反
every
光
time
添
you do something stupid.
最衰都係你哋。
Is that what you know?
What can you possibly know about that?
You'd be surprised. He's told me a great deal about you.
是但啦，咁啦。
Like what?
嚟喎，
He said you shared Lara's
同
feature.
盧拉唔同。
But
哇！你睇下佢個樣，你睇下佢個樣，你咪想大巴車死
Pleasure.
佢啊！你睇下個樣
Even，I grow.
我見到你就覺得厭惡啦，樣衰成咁，做咩人精靈啫？
She's
你信唔
no
信第
human.
一？
She's a degenerate half-breed.
信唔信第日？我做咩佢講嘢個波會突然間升起嘅？呢個精靈嘅特技嚟㗎。
You'll change.
葉內法好渣，竟然唔夠佢
If he
講。
hates me so deeply,
Avalok means that much to you.
what's that got to do with anything? If they despise me so, they should leave me be.
哦。
Sit.
Shit.
好，放手去做。嚟啊！快啲啦！唔覺意一腳伸埋張台度咁樣啊又。搞錯定燒鬼咗佢啦！咁少咁叫搗亂啊！嚟啦，Yen！
There, that's better. Let's get out of here.
佢畫咗嗰個乜嘢？ 等我入翻個房執咩先？執翻本書先。好，行得。睇本書咩龍溜先。睇下先啦。睇下先，乜乜與邪惡女巫。全提以納利亞，冇人知道點樣幫助雷斯解除佢細佬身上嘅邪惡法術。佢絕望影響咗佢嘅判斷力，令佢揾一個老女巫。佢忘記咗智者曾經警告，女人嘅心好似煤炭一樣黑，好似爬滿蟲子嘅腐肉一樣令人作嘔。個老女巫喺一個荒地嘅洞穴入邊，圍繞住毒氣、毒蛇同埋蟾蜍。塔雷斯入咗去，佢就會令到佢純潔嘅心不停咁叫佢，唔係，即使佢純潔嘅心不斷叫佢回頭。喺接近洞穴時，佢聞到一陣好恐怖嘅氣味，幾乎要暈倒。佢完全唔知道啲咩，佢從來都冇接近過人類。佢強忍住自己嘅嘔心，心入邊諗起勇敢嘅弟弟青頭女巫幫忙。親愛精靈，你又會俾啲咩我做回報呢？個女巫咁講，親愛嘅精要你嘅聲啊！我就解除你要得嘅詛咒啦！塔雷斯諗起佢以前為細佬唱搖籃曲嘅情景，不禁喊咗出嚟。但係就仍然將自己美麗嘅聲音俾咗巫婆。老女人用傾斜嘅爪子，好似捉魚咁，將佢嘅聲捉咗出嚟，掉俾佢嘅貓。跟住俾我你嘅頭髮啦，親愛嘅精靈，我先會解除你細佬身上嘅詛咒。跟住塔雷斯又喊啦，但係即刻應承。於是女巫用佢頭髮織成咗一個好密嘅網，跟住掛喺樹上邊捉雀。而家俾我你嘅眼睛啦！我頂你呢個有得寸進尺，吔屎你！俾我你眼睛啦，親愛精靈！如果唔係，我就唔解除你要得嘅詛咒。哇，好煩啊！呢個死八婆啊！不如直情話將你嘅身體俾我啦！塔雷斯好錫個細佬，於是將答應俾巫婆自己綠色嘅眼睛。女巫將寶石變成將眼珠變成寶石，縫喺自己衫上面做裝飾，然後開始大笑。杜蕾斯好啦，就叫杜蕾斯啦。呢個時候杜蕾斯先發現女巫係唔會解除李奧德嘅詛咒，佢犧牲都係白費嘅，但係佢喊唔到出嚟。哎呀，佢嘅咁後悔冇聽到智者所講有關人類奸詐嘅故事啊！杜蕾斯後悔到僵在地上，但佢純潔心仍然喺度跳動。當女巫彎低身去讀呢個魔法書嘅時候，杜蕾斯隻綠眼睛亦都跟住讀，咁樣就發現原來係嗰個女巫對佢個細佬落詛咒。佢跟住閱讀，直到睇到點樣解除詛咒為止。於是佢利用女巫用綁頭髮嘅繩網捉咗一條好肥嘅知更鳥，為咗俾女巫嘅貓，隻貓高興到瞓咗覺，於是答應跟佢一齊翻高興到打呼嚕，於是答應跟佢一齊翻到去佢個地方，話俾智者聽嗰個咩聲音係被偷走嘅。咁智者就知呢個係嗰個事實。跟住里奧同埋杜蕾斯嘅身上邊嘅邪惡魔法好快被解除，邪惡嘅女巫就被碎屍萬段。咁鬼死長嘅，一定咁醜仔。好揾唔揾住啲八婆，揾啲奸商。佢真係勁喎，佢對眼變咗綠寶石都仲望到嘢。咁佢都唔係盲咗啫，佢只不過係轉移咗位置啫嘛，隻眼。好。親愛嘅 Eric 先生，麻煩你返到元朗同我講一講，我要開始煮嘢食。
I met a young man, Skjall. And I'd like... What is it?
Ciri.
哦，佢呢個就係講佢之前幫佢走嗰個男仔啊，佢錫咗一啖嗰個啊。
Everyone? No one survived?
Skjall died later.
You sure it was him? You'd met him?
I was there. I saw his body.
Will you visit his grave with me? I'd like to say goodbye.
好，我同你去。
I'll go with you.
Thank you. Could you open a portal to Hindarsfjord?
I can.
頂頭先唔記得 save 添。
Let's do this.
Come back soon, all right?
See you.
Let's look around. Should be a
哇，
relatively fresh
300
grave
經驗值。
mound.
Thank you for coming. I detest graveyards.
哇，後邊個莊園嗰個嘢咁搞笑嘅。好啦，我哋一齊去行啦。
Let's look around together. Come on.
Lasse, son of Njord. Olaf, son of Over. Inga, daughter of Trotnir. Damn it. He's not here. Skjall has no grave. Geralt, I shan't leave until I bury him. Think.
但係佢咁樣托住頭，好似好冇
They
乜
didn't
在
burn
乎咁
it.
樣。
Save that honor for kings and heroes. Doubt they left him in the garden, too.
Bastards.
What?
Beyond the village, there's a pit. They fill it with sheep taken by Blackleg. Crabs pick at their bones at night.
點解佢要咁樣對咧？對佢哋咧？佢做咗有啲咩咧？嗰條仔。後邊嗰3條友做咩咧
What are you doing? What you should have done long ago. We're burying Skjall.
一陣叫啲人收嘅。
You defy the right of the elders. Begone. Leave this place. You defile our laws.
We're not bound by them.
Aye, and you've clearly no respect for our customs either.
死啦！咁係應該叫佢話我唔咩法律定係安靜啊？
Skjall saved your bloody lives. The Wild Hunt was after me. Had Skjall not led me away then, why they would have reduced Lofoten to ash.
What would the spectres be wanting of some lass who...
I am not some lass, and anyone who so much as touches this grave will learn that the hard way.
Aye. None will disturb it. Desecrating graves. Well, it's the only thing elders punish harder than fleeing the battlefield. And what you said. Can't know the truth of it. The gods will judge Skjall now.
哦，就係因為佢嗰個男仔帶住 Ciri 走，跟住佢哋就以為個男仔係逃走，所以就即係連名都冇啊，跟住又叫佢窩囊廢啊嗰啲嘢嘛。
Let's go.
哇！嗰頭傷心完呢頭就笑，你咪真係唔開心噶你。
Back to the boat.
我啱唔啱先？我呢個選擇其實唔啱，我又大鑊啦，又要再撈個 save。冇得5，冇搞錯。驚嘅咩？去邊啊？搞掂啦！呢個任務，睇下先。係咯，得返呢個啫。好，睇下呢度有冇嘢賣先。好，繼續做啦。Eric 先生，你頭先有冇聽到我對你嘅呼籲啊？請問聲。好。哇！我呢度有咩槍魚海岸？好驚，咩事？有冇喺邊一夜晚嘅？
It's clearing up.
放晴了？夜晚點解放晴呢？佢咪 short 撚咗啊？我好多船喎。係咪而家要偷偷地潛入啦？頂 keep 住咗呢個位，靜靜雞，靜靜雞，靜靜雞，潛入去，喂，潛落水底啊！喂，潛啊！頂佢又不止潛唔到水添，點做？應該唔響啲角嗱，啲人咁近點會睇我唔到啊！黐線！即基本上啲光照你唔到就 OK 啦，係嘛？邊隻船先啱？哇！佢咁樣點游啊？佢嗰啲好近喎，睇下幾近？睇先，有冇咁都見我唔到啊？咁近。呢個遠少少啦。嗱，都聽到啲人啲聲咯。哇！點算？點算？喺前邊啊，架船。 佢有筆屎又潛唔到落水底。兜下路先睇下有冇得。好驚啊！有冇事咧？衝啊！係冇事冇事。但係點上船呢？佢望喺嗰度望，但係望我唔到。哇！嚇死我！我好驚，好驚，好驚，好驚！點樣爬？唔係喎，冇反應喎。頂啊！俾佢發現咗添。但係點解冇事嘅？俾佢發現咗咯喎。
Witcher, what a pleasant surprise.
Warm welcome. Thank you, Your Majesty.
We are at war, if you've not noticed.
I've noticed. I can see the smoke from burning huts miles away.
What do you want?
Fringilla Vigo. Been told you promised Yennefer you'd free her. I can see. I know you're a busy man. So here's a letter. Ought to refresh your memory about the lodge.
佢游完水嗰封信都冇事咁犀利。
Even Yennefer's humblest requests seem like threats. I've always liked that about her. Very well, so be it.
好。
Time I was on my way.
At last, a point we agree on. Guards, bring me Fringilla Vigo.
會唔會係得到佢都已經冇用啦，已經殘廢咗咁樣？
No introductions are necessary from what I've heard.
哇，條女都 OK 喎。喂，你又要睇蘇柳場
Been a while. The other sorceresses, they're on Ginvale near Ard-Skellig. We could take a boat.
I'm sick to death of boats.
佢個胸幾大喎，喂，大過葉內發添喎。
I despise teleports.
哇！但好醜樣佢。
Let's go.
頭先淨係掛住望住個胸，冇留意到佢個樣，原來咁樣衰。邊似得我咁可愛啊？ 好，水手。
We looked around your laboratory. Geralt?
唔係。
Thanks, Yen. See you later.
Yes, Geralt?
We found the Sunstone.
Gelban's gift to Dillion of the White Fleet. As legend has it, she never used the stone, and Gelban died of sorrow.
Won't keep Eridan waiting that long.
It seems we've everything. We can go. Keep in mind, once we commit, there'll be no returning.
Oh.
I'm ready. High time we set sail. Undvik awaits.
In that case, let's go.
嚟啦嚟啦嚟啦！好緊張啊！冇燈嘅。點解落咗水嘅聲嘅喂？點解無啦啦跌咗落水嘅？唉，之前成日笑卡關達，點知原來我先係一個卡關能手。
You will position yourselves on the cliffs. Here, here, and...
Thank you. I believe we know how to form a circle.
Even those of us who lack eyes for the moment.
I simply wish to avoid... Oh, Geralt. We were waiting for you.
點啊？邊個啊？一定要啊？要唔要好串嘴啊？定係話真係貼心啊？邊一個？一定要？一定要？一定要？一定要？一定要？一定要？一定要，一定要，一定要。邊一個？邊一個？邊一個？啊！有冇人可以答我啊？5、4、3、2、1，傳啦！
Really? Seems to me you'd started already.
We were discussing questions of a magic nature, nothing of great interest to you.
Right, because I'm just a simple witcher.
Don't worry. Simplicity has a charm all its own.
係咯，連 Celie 都呢個女人喺地牢出咗嚟之後冇沖過涼。
Does not mean it will be easy to execute. I shall activate the Sunstone. If Caranthea answers the call, the Nagel Fair should appear in the bay shortly afterwards. The Lodge must then prevent the ship from returning to the world of the NL, while the Imperial fleet blocks its escape by sea. The 7th Imlet's Infantry Regiment under Duke Varatra must then board it, with your help, naturally.
What about you? Where will you be?
Waiting in reserve. If something goes wrong, I shall react.
Like a general commanding troops from a hilltop? Gonna signal us by horn or use messengers?
Exquisite irony, but what did I do to deserve it? Have I given you cause to doubt my intentions?
Ladies and gentlemen, less talk, more action, please. Sisters, we must scale the cliffs.
哇，好犀利啊！兩條邊會凌空㗎，唔會掂住佢個波㗎。
Good luck.
About Ciri.
Cyril will wait, at a safe distance from the Nagel Fair.
Wild guess. Not what you had in mind.
No, I wanted to go with you. That was my idea.
But I won't allow it. Far too great a risk.
離間佢哋兩個感情。
Amusing. Jirel said the same thing, only at much higher volume. I do, in fact, have this right. For only I know how to activate the Sunstone, which I shall do on my terms or not at all. Jirel recognized the strength of my argument. I've no doubt.
你個死白公，等我打完仗你又死。
Jirel, do you swear to stay on shore?
Do I have a choice?
Where are you going?
For a walk. Or is that not allowed either? Because I could break my leg.
Oh yes. The elder blood can be fiery.
好無辜啊，無啦，係咪？
Telling Ciri she can't do something is counterproductive, speaking from experience there. Ultimately, she does what she wants.
Let us hope.
Pardon me?
Never mind.
你個仆街想思連死，原來。
If you wish to do something, brew your substances or whatnot, do it now. You won't get the chance later. I shall await you by the boats, amongst the soldiers.
係，咁我整定啲嘢先。
Yen, why are you here?
To see you.
Something happen?
Not yet, but it might soon. We may not survive this. In fact, our chances are slim.
邊一個？係咪揀啱咗嘅話有得做體操啊？應該係邊個啊？吓？應該係邊一個啊？1定2定3啊？有冇人可以答下我啊？喂！喂！係咪可以即係佢哋預計自己就釘蓋，係咪可以釘蓋之前嚟一次運動啊？吓？有冇人可以答我啊 ？Anybody here？ 有冇人啊？有冇人啊？有冇人啊？講定就唔係特殺啦，頂你！有冇人知係邊一個啊？1、2定3啊 ？Hello， 有冇人知係邊個啊 ？Hello， Hello， 究竟係1、2定3啊？唉，唔鬼理啊，求其揀一個啊！
We've come a long way, and I'll be damned if we've come to fail. It'll be all right.
I admire your optimism. Wish I shared it. Listen to me. Once it's over, if we survive, I wish to leave, go far away, and I'd like you to come with me.
Where?
Wherever. To Povis, beyond the
巨
Dragon
龍
Mountains,
生物
Zerrikania even. As far as
巨
possible
龍
from
巨龍
politics, plots, and so-called high society. 嚟啊，梗係氹住條女先㗎啦〜
I'd go anywhere with you.
The answer I was hoping for. Go, Geralt. Avallac'h awaits.
嚇冇得做嗰啲嘢㗎啦，嚇射一射就
And
算。
don't get killed, Witcher.
咩啊？你亦食屎啦你！關咩事啊？係好明顯啊！影住我個樣，我太靚，搞到個網絡都即係點講呢？即係好似靚爆鏡咁啫嘛，同一個道理。即係我靚到係可以令到啲網絡不能夠正常運作。呢啲氣質啊，嗰啲嘢太過強大，你明唔明白？呢啲係一啲絕色頂啊！呢啲絕色美女先會有嘅。你呢啲成個烏馬咁，梗係唔知啦。係啊，我太靚。係人都知我係美女啦。好，睇下先，睇下有冇嘢整下先。睇下先。睇下先，嗰個咩叫咩狂獵嗰啲算係乜嘢啊？北風凍結。呢個釋放有毒氣體，焚風，呢個會炸到自己嘅。烈之塵，阻止怪物變形。高等蜂窩。狂獵嗰啲都係整啲炸彈穩陣，真係。每殺死一個敵人。就裝備好自己，今晚打先。哇，好多喎！ 有神者之石喎，神石。暴風雪、殺人鯨、滿月、富門、咁似酒名嘅。好，睇下先啊。喂，做咩啊？好，跟住角色有5個技能點，睇下先。好驚啊！好。等下先啊，10，變種人。睇下先，呢個入咗，呢個入咗，呢個入咗，呢個都入咗。好，加30。好，咁樣就今日而家咁樣 save 咗先啦。咁我哋今晚再繼續打啦。而家 save 咗先。好，咁今日就而家呢個時間差唔多啦，咁我哋聽日唔係今晚再繼續啦，拜拜。